Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.